In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on a Google form. If you've ever been puzzled by the process or are setting this up for the first time, you're in the right place. Google Forms is an incredibly versatile tool for surveys, quizzes, and feedback collection. But before you can unleash its full power, you need to make sure it's activated in your Google Workspace. Let's walk through this simple process together. First things first, we need to navigate to the Google Admin Console. This is your command center for managing Google services for your organization. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Admin Console website. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in, enter your email address, click Next, then type in your password, and click on Sign In to access the console. Once you're successfully logged in, look for the Apps section. This part of the Admin Console is where you can manage all the Google services and apps available to your organization. Click on Apps to proceed. It's straightforward, but if you're having trouble locating it, it's usually represented with a colourful Apps icon. After navigating to the Apps section, you'll need to select Google Workspace. This is where all the core Google productivity tools are managed, including Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and of course, Forms. Clicking on Google Workspace will take you a step closer to our goal. Within the Google Workspace settings, locate and click on Drive and Docs. It might seem a bit odd that Google Forms settings are under Drive and Docs, but since Forms are deeply integrated with Google Drive, it makes sense they're grouped together. Just click on Drive and Docs to continue. Next up, find Google Forms among the list of options. This step brings us directly to where we can manage the Google Forms settings for your organization. Once you've clicked on Google Forms, you're almost there. Look for the option that says On. This is what you're here to activate. By selecting On, you're enabling Google Forms for your organization, allowing you and your team, if applicable, to start creating your own forms. Go ahead and click on On to enable it. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. There should be a Save button on the screen after you've selected On. Clicking this makes sure that your adjustment is applied and Google Forms is turned on and ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on Google Forms for your organization. From here, you can dive into creating forms for all sorts of purposes, knowing that you've properly enabled this tool in your Google Workspace settings. Remember, you can always reverse or adjust these settings if needed, but now the world of Google Forms is at your fingertips, ready to explore and utilize to its full extent. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and here's to your success in using Google Forms effectively.